If you are deploying your tags on a test page or staging site, and the domain is not the same as that of the live site, chances are the tags or the ads are not going to show up on the page because that domain is not represented and not approved. And at the same time, you don't have ads.txt deployed in there. You can leverage DevTools and CSS to troubleshoot the ad placements. Here's a sample staging site where we deploy the tag and it's not showing up because it has a different domain. So in here, I'll right-click and inspect to load DevTools. Now, make sure the device toggle here is turned on, and you can choose one of the devices in here. I'm choosing iPhone 10. Now, refresh the page to make sure you pick up the codes for mobile. All right. And then we're going to look for the sticky ad unit or tag that was deployed. So I'll click here under the Elements tab, and I'll say Control F or Command F on my keyboard, and I'll look for the tag that we just deployed. Okay, so it's right here. It's just that we don't see any ads on the page. We don't see any sticky ad unit, so we don't know if it's going to display correctly once deployed on the live site. So when you hover your mouse over this tag right here, it shows you where the ad is, but it's just invisible. So I'll go ahead and click this, and let me go ahead and try to resize this a little bit so you can see it here on the right. So once I click this, it shows me the element style in here for this ad. And I'll go ahead and manually override, and I'll add a CSS background color, colon, and then I'll say yellow. Okay, there you go. Now it fills this ad container with yellow, and if you scroll down and up on this site, you see that it's serving as an anchor. Okay. And you can further modify the tag to make sure it serves centered on the page and all other stuff that you need. But you are sure now that it's going to be there as an anchor. And now you can go ahead, deploy it on your live site. You should be good to go, get the ball rolling, and start making money.
That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.